Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your class in which we have also discussing your principles of commerce. This is the you can say your class in which you can learn different topics about your commerce. So let's proceed towards your today's tricky and technique part. It's not accounting, it's principles of commerce. So this is on your screen. You all can see. Yes. Now, this is on your screen, the principles of commerce. It is your first year commerce Karachi board syllabus. We are following first MCQs. This is your open book test. Very different for you all. Now, let's see. You are capable of finding the answers. You have to switch your pages and find the appropriate answers. Meanwhile, you are not allowed to discuss anything. Hurry up. You have to find out the appropriate answers. Yes, your first MCQs on your screen. Jobbers are large wholesalers who supply goods on a dash to a retailer. Option A, large scale, small scale, insufficient, and none of the above option. Then we have the second, the number of shareholders in a public company as minimum 2, maximum 50. Option B, minimum 2, maximum 20. And option C, minimum 7, maximum 50. Option D, minimum 7, no upper limit. Okay. So these are your two MCQs. You have to find the answers. I'm giving you some time to solve the answers. This is your open book test. You have to find the answers. Upcoming now. This is your upcoming MCQs on your screen. MCQs number 3, the partners or partnership firm. Option A cannot transfer the share and capital. Option B can transfer the shares. Option C, none of them. Option D, transfer their property. Now, MCQs number 4, the shareholders of a company cannot transfer their share. Option B can transfer their share. Option C can transfer their property. Option D, none of the above. Now, MCQs number 5, the liability of a company as A, unlimited, B, limited, option C, no liability, and option D, none of them. Now, number 6, the partners who physically appear in business is nominal partner, B, sleeping partner, C, minor partner, and D, active partner. We have MCQs number 7, functions of marketing include your warehousing, B, purchasing, C, branding, and D, all of the above. Now you have to identify the correct answers, and I'm giving you the time to solve the answers. The time is sufficient. Now this is we have the MCQs on the screen 8 till 11. Okay. In the MCQs number 8, we have in the simplest indirect channel of distribution, wholesaler is connected with the dash, with the retailer, with the wholesaler, with the consumer, or with the producer. In the simplest indirect channel of distribution, wholesaler is connected with the dash. You have to find out the appropriate answer with the retailer, wholesaler, consumer, and producer. Then number 9, the person who deals in foreign trade is called wholesaling. B option is retailing. C option is exporting. And D option is transporting. Okay. Now number 10. The document confirming the value of goods is known as A, debit invoice, B, credit invoice, C, performer invoice, and D, consumer invoice. MCQs number 11. Custom permit is necessary in A, import, B, export, C, wholesaling, D, warehousing. These are your MCQs number 8, 9, 10, 11, and you have to choose the appropriate answers. Then we have next MCQs. These are the three MCQs on your screen. You all can see the word business has identical meaning and concept with the word It is used by dash A American, B British, C both, and D Russians. Okay. Then you have MCQ number 13. In order to form a partnership, there must be minimum of dash participants. Minimum number of persons कितने होने चाहिए for the partnership business? Option A, 2 persons but not exceeding 22. Option B, 2 person maximum 22. Option C, 2 person but exceeding 20. Option D, 2 person but not exceeding 20. So you have to find the appropriate answer. Then we have MCQ number 14. One of the disadvantage of sole proprietor is ease of formation. You have to find out the disadvantage of sole proprietor. Ease of formation, ease of dissolution, uncertain life. Okay, there's no D option. You have to find out the correct answer. If you find any of the answer is inappropriate, you can write it down your own answer. Or you can write there none of the above answer is correct. Your next MCQs are on your screen. The maximum number of shareholders in a private company is option A 50, option B 5, option C 20, option D no upper limit. Then MCQs number 16. Marketing function of exchange includes option A transportation and storage, option B buying and selling, option C information and risk, and option D finance and grading. I repeat, marketing function of exchange include transportation and storage, buying and selling, information and risk, option D finance and grading. You have to find the appropriate answers, and your correct answers should be valued because it is a practice for your all the MCQs. For your board perspective, it's cover all your chapters from the board exam syllabus. This is all for today. Thank you so much. Hope so that you all are learning very well. And in the next class, in the next video, I will share the answers for these MCQs. Thank you so much.